Click on Plugins. WooCommerce should be installed and activated. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana plugins or discount rules and dynamic pricing for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and Activate. Create a percentage cart discount in WooCommerce. Click on Add New. Set a name for the rule. Set a private note, optional. Select percentage discount per item or price discount per item as a discount type. Set a value for the discount. Click on Plus or New Group. Select Categories in List. Add the categories that should be discounted. Now save the rule. Add products from the T-shirt and accessories categories in the shopping cart. A 10% discount applied to the cart automatically. Add 2 albums to cart. A 10% discount automatically applied on beanie and cap and polo. Category-based price discounts in WooCommerce. Navigate to Pricing tab. Click on Add New. Set a name for the rule. Select Simple for the mode. Select Price Discount for the adjustment type. Set a value for the discount. Click on Plus or New Group. Select Categories in List. Add the categories that should be discounted. Now save the rule. A $5 discount applied to the accessories and t-shirts categories. A $5 discount applied. A $5 discount applied in shop cart. Category-based bulk discount in WooCommerce. Navigate to Pricing tab. Click on Add New. Set a name for the rule. Select Bulk for the mode. Select Single Product. Enable Display Discount column in the quantity table. Add quantities and their associated discounts. Click on Plus or New Group. Select Categories in List. Add the categories that should be discounted. Now save the rule. Check the quantity table. A 5% discount applied to the product and the quantity is 2 to 6.